Okay. Oh, miss. Hello, break. Hello. I can't tell. Suggest on all streaming current bitrate is lower than recommended bitrate. Yeah, so what? Okay. Hello, test. Let me see. Let me go to OBS and see if it's got audio. Hello, test. Hello, test. Yep, it's got audio. Okay. Breaker. Oh, yeah, I can even see it on the screen. Okay. Wow. What a mess. What a mess. Man. Let's see. It says I've got 3 viewers. And then over here, it says I've got 2 viewers. So which is it? 3 or 2? And then down the bottom, it says 4. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've been away from this way too long. Let's see. Privacy, public. Yep, that's what I want. Hello, anybody? Can somebody put a comment in the chat? It says live. I was hoping I could get this set up to talk to Rob, 741 channel. I couldn't believe all the problems I've had. I haven't used this setup on this computer in probably 4 or 5 months. Oh, Andrew from Australia. Greg. Can anybody give me a radio check? Video, audio? Are you hearing me? I'm thinking not, because I haven't gotten any response. Hello, check. Okay, I'll try typing. Can anyone hear me? Why didn't it type it in? I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. Anyone hear me? There we go. Got that in this time. Both? All good. Thank you, Andrew. I have been away from this so long. Oh my gosh. I haven't done a live stream in probably 4 months, and I haven't used this computer down in my Radio Shack for at least 4 months. And I spent the last half hour just getting everything updated. Because everything I tried to run, it says, this needs to be updated, this needs to be updated. And I updated my OBS software, which is what you see on the screen there. And it totally crashed itself, wouldn't run. So I went to their website, and there were several other people that had problems with the new version. So I searched through their website and found the old version 28. I was trying to install 29, and I got it working. Okay, you can hear me loud and clear. That's good. Like I said, first off, Rob, 741 channel, who's been extremely busy, and we haven't talked probably in 4 months, sent me an email this week and said that he's got a new job and he now has some free time on the weekends, and so he wants to get his channel going again, and he wanted to chat with me this morning. So I thought, well, if I'm going to chat with Rob, I've got to get my streaming working again, which I haven't used, like I said, in 4 months. And I think I got it working, and I appreciate Greg and Andrew coming on and letting me know that it's working. And so maybe if Rob gets up, he usually gets up about between 6 and 6:30 Eastern time. Well, I don't know what's daylight or standard time. I hate that changeover. But anyway, he's in on the east coast of Florida like me, so he's in the same time zone. I haven't used these radios out here in my shack for 4 months. I'm afraid to even try turning my SDR radio on, because I'll crash the setup. And I may see, I think my Grundig, let me see if I can move the camera around here away from, that loosened it up. I didn't want to loosen it up. Okay, well, I don't know why it's loose. Yeah, it's going to get a little dizzy here because I'm trying to, when I turn it, there we go. I got it tightened up. Now, I got to watch the delay here and see when it's stable. I've got that fan on, so that could be creating a little noise. And we'll turn it on, see if it still works. And let's see, antenna. There we go. That should be China radio. Down in the mud. Excellent, Greg. You got the top of the line Texan H501X. I hope you love yours as much as I love mine. Again, I am so behind. I haven't used that radio in probably 3 months. So I got to get it down here and get it hooked up again to my Megaloop antenna. I found, of all the antennas I've tested over the years, right now, with the conditions the way they are, the Megaloop loop antenna is my best antenna. You don't have to have it terribly high in the air. I've got mine about 10 or 12 feet up in the air. I'm using it right now on my Grundig Satellite 800, and everything's still working. I mean, we've had some very severe weather since the last time I used this setup, so I'm surprised everything's still working. And let's see, do I even have the amplifier turned on? I may not even have the amplifier turned. I don't even have the amplifier turned on. Okay. Yep, it didn't come on. Oh, I know it. The main breaker is off, I think. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me see. Where can I see? Where's the light for that thing? Nope, that turned it off. Oh, that's not a good sign. Yeah, we got no power to it. At least there's no indicated power to the little power. That's a problem. I don't know if it's the USB adapter I'm using has gone south. I'll have to check that later, but it's running unpowered right now. So that's something else I got to put on my list. I got to make a list of things to do down here since things are in pretty bad shape. I don't know why that's not working. Let's see, do I have the switch on or off? No, that switch doesn't. I thought that switch lit up. Let me stretch over here. Let me pull the switch out. Oh gosh. I'm using one of these little switches, and I thought they lit up when you turned them on, but they're not lighting up. What does that mean? Now the power strip I'm using does have its lights on, but these are not coming on. Well, I know one way to eliminate that. What if these things failed? Oh my gosh. let things go for a while and everything's broken. Huh. Maybe it's the, maybe it's, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. Like I say, I'm trying to get things working again out here. I got another power strip over here, which I know is working because the light's on. And that still doesn't work. Well, that's not okay. That's not a good sign. That's a bad start. Well, let me try. Maybe it's the little USB thing you do. Power supply. Okay, let me stand up for a second. Boy, bear with me. I'm just, test, breaker. Trying to figure out what's going on here. Need a mirror. Okay, where's the mirror? Stand by. I had one here not long ago. Hello. Okay. Yeah, I can't reach the mirror. Mike won't let me reach the mirror. This is, this is crazy. Mirror. Okay, I'm going to take the mic off so I can get across the other side of the room to find my mirror. Okay. Mic back on. Alrighty. Stand by. There we go. Get the mic back on. I got the mirror and I checked the little switch like this one. I bought these a couple of months back. They're really handy. Just a single switch. So if I could use it, whoops, I just dropped the microphone. Hope that didn't break anybody's ears. Oh, I'm so disorganized. Oh, now I broke, the clip came off. That's what happened. I was putting so much stress on it. There we go. That's back, maybe. Breaker. See if I've got, oh. Okay, let me look at the chat. Let me rest for a minute. Okay, Andrew says, I'm using an old Sony ICF SW55. Yes, it is a very nice radio. Greg says, Tom's Radio Room show yesterday in Franklin, Wisconsin. We got have what snow lost power. Oh, okay. I hate when you lose power. And then Greg says, birthday is March 23rd. Be 60 years old. Well, you're half the age I am. I'm 99. No, I'm 76. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, I don't know. Let's see, do I have anything to test this power cube? Or do I have another power cube? I don't have another one down here that I can see right offhand, so we're going to have to test that later. Let's see. Yep, I'll have to test that later. So I have no power to my Megaloop antenna. That's not a big deal. I hope it's not broke. Okay. I'm hoping that Greg will, from the 741 channel, no, not Greg, I'm sorry. Rob, why am I messed up? Rob from the 741 channel will break in before I give up. Yeah. Okay, we got 5 concurrent viewers to this mess. My Radio Shack is overloaded with stuff. I had to put a bunch of stuff away this morning just so I could get to my computer. That's how bad it was. I don't doubt that this AC adapter is bad. Let me see. I found a little box here. What's this says? Adapters. That's probably for the cables. Yeah, it's cable adapters. Nope, it's not power. Oh, I see one. I see one. Hold on. Stand by. I hate any kind of device that has no indicators that it has power or is providing power. Okay, we're going to try this one. Not that it's any better or that this is the problem. I don't know. And the answer is nope. I guess my little adapter port is shot. Now, the good news is the SDR Play SDR that I have down here does provide antenna power. So I can try that. Now maybe, let me just try something else. Maybe the light is burnt out and the power adapter is really putting out power. And I can easily tell that by turning the radio up and unplugging the power or turn it off. Yeah. Okay, either I'm blind okay, there is China radio with the antenna. I turned down for a second. With the antenna's power supply for the preamp that's up on the antenna off. So it's just noise. I'm gonna turn it on. There you go. So I guess it's working. It's just that the little light on the power adapter doesn't come on. So let me hook it up the way it was originally and see if that works. We'll ignore the fact that the light doesn't work. Okay, so I'll plug this in here. And then I'll plug this back. Oh, back over here. Yeah, so it's working. I have to put a note on that the little LED on the little power supply that provides power. Oh, it's blinking. Oh, wait, what are you doing? You're trying to mess with me or what? Oh, now it's blinking. Well, that's crazy. Maybe I've got a bad connection to it. Jiggle the wire. That didn't help any. Yeah, okay. It's working. The power supply is working. The LED that's on the power supply, it's a little tiny LED, apparently is intermittent. So maybe we're good to go. Anyway, okay. All right. Oh, I'm definitely not going to release this video on my channel because I'm so screwed up. So I'll just delete it. I am hoping to do more live streams, and the idea this morning was Rob 741 YouTube channel was going to get me going again, and because he's very good at doing streams, and so I thought I would start ahead in case he may not be available. He's very busy, and see if I can get it working. It took me a good half hour to get it working, and according to Greg and Andrew, it is working. And I don't know how good. I'm using a setup where I've got my screen is most of the video, and then my camera, which is down here, is a little insert on the bottom. That's not the best camera in the world, but it does work. Okay. Let's see, it's 6 o'clock. So I think I will break for now, since thanks to Greg and Andrew, it looks like my setup is working. Let me check my, see, I got 2 things marked streaming, 2 pages. Let me see. Okay, that's one. Okay, we can close that one. I can close that one. Hopefully it won't close both of them. Yeah, okay. I had 2 streams going. Oh boy. Alrighty, I think I'm pretty well set up here for now, and hopefully Rob will have some time. I'm hoping that he'll be up when he normally is, although it is a Saturday, at between 6:30 and 7, and that's when we can get together and verify my setup and everything so that I can do streams in the future. Oh, I finally got an indication right here that my connection is now excellent. It was poor when I first started to stream. So apparently my Wi-Fi now is working a little better down here in my shack. Been streaming for 25 minutes. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I want to thank Andrew and Greg for helping me out. And you guys have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay.